braised pork ribs. Boiled it soft and then mix it up with these ingredients. And that's it. Okay. Done. Hello everybody! Dinner time! Right! Oh my goodness, look at my hair. We went on a bike ride today and the helmet. Oh, my hair! It's so, I don't know, the pa and yuck. Anyway, I cooked braised pork ribs. Yum! So it's sticky. Sticky pork ribs.
Braised fried rice.
Oh, yes. And I fried the old rice. Fried the old rice.
Oh, that was mine.
This one here, look. That's for
that
you.
had all the juice I put on.
Oh, well.
Quick and the dead, I tell you.
That's it. Gotta be quick. Quickiness. Oh. Sticky. All right. So, the mixture is, the process was, I boiled the ribs with powdered garlic, onion, and ginger powder, all powder, with pepper, ground pepper. Boil them so it's tender, and then when the juice went down to just a little bit, I put in oyster sauce, sweet chili sauce, Chinese wine, sweet soy, and soy sauce, and sesame oil. Yum! And then in the end, toss it until it becomes like just it coats everything, and there's no more juice. And then I put in a little bit of honey to sweeten it a bit. So, nice. Yumminess. So, as you can see, it's rice tonight. Hindi talaga maiwasan hindi mag-rice. Anyway, basta hindi araw-araw, okay lang siguro. Justifying. Ito yung dish na mapaparami ka ng kain. Sarap. Naparami ka ng kain ng rice. Hindi naman siya kailangan, almost, what's that? Yung makatanggal na yung buto. Basta malambot siya, okay na.
Falls off the bone.
Falls off the bone. But maybe, if you put it in the pressure cooker, or let it boil for a long time.
Won't be on the bone.
Maybe in an hour. In an hour, it will fall off the bone.
But half the fun of eating the ribs is chewing them on the bone. Don't do your teeth any good.
Don't chew the bone. Up. Guys, yung mga recipe ko, madali lang siya. Very easy. Sundan nyo lang yung sinasabi ko. Tsaka common sense, di ba? Yung, asa pa paano lulutuin yung karne? Di pala lambutin mo muna. Tapos lalagyan mo na yung mga ingredients na sinasabi ko. Ganun lang yun. Hindi na kailangan detalyado na pakukuluan pa ba, gano'ng katagal pakukuluan, anong ilalagay habang nagpapakulo. Sa'yo na yun. Basta kailangan malambot yung karne. Yun. Yun lang yun. Madali lang. Ako, pag nagluluto, eksperimento lang lahat sa akin. Experiment. Everything is an experiment. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, cooking videos. Pero hindi ko naman nasusunod yung ginagawa nila. Sa isip ko lang, ganito gagawin ko. Pareho din ang kalalabasan yan. Ganon. Ganon yun. Yan. Yung iba, asukal ang nalagay pang patamis. Yung pa talaga, hindi talaga gusto ko. Medyo allergic ako sa asukal eh. I need to rest on it.
Want it?
No, you can have it. It's nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Ang ginawa ko, luto na yung fried rice ko, no? It's ready to go. And then, when hubby was transferring the ribs into the bowl, sabi ko, I might put the fried rice, in that wok. Andun pa yung juices ng, natitirang juices ng, ng pork. Kaya, ayun, nilagay namin. Ang sarap! Diba? Sayang naman yung katas. I was gonna buy the beef ribs. Ano, ang mahal? So expensive. Mas nani?
Oh, this is a good pack here.
I know. Ito, marami na siya. Ayan, dahil wala na akong kanin, stop na ako. Pangatlo. Kasi hindi talaga ako, lalo na ganito, savory, hindi ko talaga makakain ng walang kanin. Yum. Siya mahilig magpapak, kaya okay lang sa kanya. Yumminess! So there you go. That's our dinner. Bisaya, Banggid. Dinner sorted. Beautiful. So try it, guys. Simple. So simple. Simple and easy.
And beautiful flavor.
So, thank you for watching. Have a good night. And God bless. Bye.